Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rush County, eastern Decatur County, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Santee, or near Batesville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Rush and eastern Decatur counties. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 138 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Decatur, and Rush.